yung parang pinaka-peak ng career na lang?
Advices. Maybe not advice, but I'll just share to you what I'm doing. Kasi pag advice, tapos sinunod nyo, hindi nangyari sa inyo, baka awayin nyo ako, diba? So what I'll share to you is, I'll just give you some insights, diba? If you feel like effective sa inyo, subukan nyo, diba? If it do you any good, congratulations. If not, look for other ideas. Okay, several things na may maisip ko. Number one, alright? If you really want to succeed in life, okay, number one, follow your passion. It's not always about the money. Sometimes if you run after money, sabi nga ni Mr. Eric Maranan, yung pera, apat ang paa, ikaw dalawa lang, hindi mo kayang habulin. Never run after money, right? Follow your passion. You'll be successful if you enjoy what you are doing. If you don't enjoy what you're doing, stop doing that. You won't be effective. Chances are you'll be doing that just for money and you won't be effective. Follow your passion. Yung career ko, indirect sales is already my 23rd year in the business, and parang nung day 1 na nakilala ko to, sabi ko ito na talaga yung gusto kong gawin. So kumbaga hindi na to para sa akin negosyo lang, kumbaga ito na yung gusto kong ginagawa. Maraming tatanong, but even until now, I'm still meeting distributors. Sorry kung may magbubok sa inyo ng gathering with me. Puno na po ang schedule ko ng buong November, December. Wala nang natira kahit isang araw, inubos na nila. Alright, so why am I still meeting business owners? Because that's my passion. And it's not about pushing them to build a business, but it's about me talking to them, inspiring them. That's number one, follow your passion. Number two, at a point in time, you'll experience challenges and failures. Tama, di ba? Alright? But you have to treat failures as stepping stones towards succeeding. There's no such thing as a person who succeeded without experiencing failure. Kahit paano, ma-experience nating madapa. Pero okay lang. As long as ting madadapa tayo, we're moving forward. Bibihira lang naman yung nakikita kong nadadapang patalikod eh. Yung tumatakbo, nadapa, ay patalikod, di ba? Usually, it's moving forward. So whenever you fall down, it's always moving forward. And you have to learn from those failures and treat them as stepping stone, di ba? And chances are, you won't repeat the same mistake and you'll realize that, oh, kaya ko naman palang gawin to ng tama someday. As long as huwag kang susuko. When you say huwag kang susuko, dapat sumuko ka sa mga bagay na hindi naman tama, di ba? Pag may ginagawa kang mali, sukuan mo na yun. So there's no such thing as, may kasabi kasi before winners never quits and quitters never wins. I don't know if you've heard about that. That's partly true and partly false. When I say partly true and partly false, yes, I agree with you. If you have a dream, you have to focus on your dream. Whatever happens, nakatutukaran. Pero sometimes you need to quit on things that are not effective. So quitters doesn't always lose. Sometimes quitters win also. If they quit on things that are not effective anymore and it's not doing them any good. Alright? Number 3, ano pa ba? Be a better, always aspire to be a better version of who you are. Improvement, di ba? Nagbabasa pa kayo ng libro, umaattend pa ba kayo ng mga seminars, nakikipag-usap ka ba sa mga mentors? If you really want to grow, not only in business but in life, you have to continuously learn. Alright? Education in our business is a lifetime process. Kailangan dire-diretso. Hindi pa pwedeng matigil. Right? Even until now, yung nga lang sa akin, ang challenging, ang dami kong gusto matutunan eh. I have to take it one step at a time eh. Diba? Bumili akong piano, mayroon piano sa bahay namin, hindi naman marunong piano. Although maganda yung tumutugtog mag-isa. Pero maniniwala ka ba, tumutugtog mag-isa yun eh. Diba? iPad lang katapat nun. Pero, that's one of my bucket list. Hindi kasi ako pinagpala na nung bata na turuan ng kahit anong musical instrument. So in the next coming days, I wanted to sit down, YouTube lang naman ang katapat niyan. I wanted to learn playing the piano. Marami akong gustong gawin. Yung nga lang, I have to prioritize some things, but I still have a lot of bucket list and things that I need to do. And siguro one last thing. Dalawa na lang pala. Yung isang mas importante yung huli. Pang-apat, always believe in yourself. Alright? Don't expect that people will believe in you if you don't believe in yourself. Hindi mo pagharap mo sa salamin every morning, ang nakikita mo isang napakaganda at napakagwapong tao. Kasi kung pagharap mo sa salamin, nakikita mo pangit at walang pag-asang tao, good luck, wala talagang mangyayari. The first person who needs to believe in you is yourself. Doesn't matter what your background is. Mayaman, mahirap, matalino, bobo, it really doesn't matter. Question is, do you believe that you have that capability of being somebody someday? Alright? Sometimes, it starts in your mind. Di ba sometimes? Most of the time. It starts in your mind. Sabi nga, the usual thing, whatever your mind can conceive, your body can achieve, alam nyo na yan. Wherever your mind can go, your body will follow. Alam niyo na yan lahat, di ba?
Yes.
Ginagawa niyo ba? Pinaniniwalaan niyo ba? Alright, and siguro, for me, number 5, and the most important is put God above all else, and He won't fail you. Haba nung sagot, pang showbiz yung sagot.
Very well said, sir. Pero agree talaga ako doon, lalo na yung naalala ko doon, sir, si sinabi niyo yung